Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to connect your Facebook account to your Roblox account so that your friends can actually find your Facebook account and create an icon on your profile. Now the first step, of course, is open up your preferred browser and head down to roblox.com. Now as you can see, here's my profile account, and here in the right corner you see a Facebook icon, and when I press it, I made it so that it comes to the Roblox Facebook. Now you can create your own with your own account. It's very easy. I'm going to show you right away. Now the first step is go to the top right corner where the cogwheel appears. From there open up the settings, and inside the settings you scroll all the way down until you find the social networks. Now inside the social networks, here you see the Facebook option already. Now in the Facebook option you just create the link to your account or to whichever account you would like it to be linked, and from there you save it right here. Now make sure to go to visible to and set this to everyone or friends and people who follow you. Now from there everyone can click the link and will see your Facebook account. Now make sure to save it, and once you've saved it, from there you can easily hop onto your account and will be able to select it to whatever page you would like it to go. Now, if this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This helps me out a lot, and thank you for watching.